Hello friends, in this video we are going to find out how to use VLOOKUP in Excel to get single and multiple value. As you can see, I assign row number to remember the row value. Here we use formula in which first enter equal and then what we want to find, then select all data in which you want to find and then enter row number where original value have and last enter 0 for exact match and press enter. Now use mouse to right click and drag to last value to get result in all column. Here we are using single VLOOKUP formula and got all the value. First we select all the field in which we want the result and press equal and type VLOOKUP and then select the value which you want to search and then select the table data. And then important part of this formula came, that is insert comma and then type curly braces and then type row number with comma and then close curly braces and then press Ctrl Shift Enter, avoid to press enter. Now use mouse to right click and drag to last value to get result in all column and check.